Good morning, friends. This is group of team Li-Fi COVID-19. Here, Dr. Anil Kumar SAHU, ECE from Bharat Engineering College, Hyderabad. Now, I am submitting here the call for quotes. The title is a Li-Fi based ECG analysis with IoT for COVID-19 patients, and I have another 4 team members. Uh, N. Varun Reddy, MD, and Siva and P. Madhu. Now come to the today's our discussions about the Li-Fi architectures. Now coming to the architecture and solutions. So here we have proposed the one architectures based on the Li-Fi. Li-Fi stands for light fidelity technology. Is the transmission of the data through the illumination by taking the fiber out of fiber optics by sending the data through a light bulb that varies in the intensity faster than the human eyes can follow. Li-Fi is considered to be the optical version of Wi-Fi. Some label is its fast and cheap wireless communication systems. When LED is on, digital 1 is transmitted. When it is off, 0 is transmitted. Data can be encoded in the light by varying the flickering rate to generate the string of ones and 0. The output appears to be constant to the human eyes, and LED intentionally is modulated rapidly. This method is of used rapid pulse for light to transmit wireless and technically referred to a visual light communications VLC. And here the useful of this Li-Fi technology has implication for a great amount of goods. Some of the example include to reduce the cost instead of running close to mile worth of cables. The LED powered Li-Fi connections to be beam for information directly to the destinations. Okay, so here we have posed the COVID-19 Li-Fi based Li-Fi based monitoring system for analysis of ECG. So for this architecture we are having transmitter as well receiver. First block diagram represent the about the transmitter consists of power supply, step down transformer, 708 regulators, ECG heart rate sensors, and then it is passes to the signal to the 8 mega L microprocessor is there, where we can put emergency buttons, and laser is also there, and LED is displaying what kind of signal we have sent. Then the receiver is also there. The receiver will receive the signals, and we will use 8 mega 230p by microcontrollers, and TTL USB and software display from the personal computers. Now come to the Wi-Fi. Data here, this is the working of the Wi-Fi, how Wi-Fi can work. So these things we can demonstrate here. Now we know that here if anyone is suffered from the COVID patient, and he has an issue of his heart, then we can get their heart information using ECGs. So here we will transmit ECG wirelessly using the Li-Fi code Li-Fi, and it is very helpful for COVID-19 patients. Now these are the block diagram of COVID-19 COVID-19 Li-Fi systems. It consists of different processor, hardware circuits, different timers, ADCs, EPROMs, flash circuits, and different circuit is there, and programming is done here. Okay, using the IoT softwares. Now this is our overall implementations. This is the prototype of Li-Fi based ECG analysis with the using of Internet of Things for COVID-19 patients and overviews. Now come to and these are the conclusions. The electromagnetic spectrum syncing continuously. The Li-Fi system will going to provide a green, safer and better, and here they are developed. Each light source can be used for Li-Fi applications, means light there is a internet. So here also Li-Fi is a technology we can easily use for efficiency, and most important it is chips, and it is very cheap and conduct ECG analysis in many number of patients. And also more and more things, physical device and everybody objects are now being connected to the internet, and this is called internet of things. And we are also connecting our Li-Fi based ECG module to interconnect to remote store and access the ECG data of each patient. Thank you so much.